Speaking of Netflix, there's a $3 Netflix streaming plan. You guys didn't know that. You guys are like, $3, I'll take it. Guess what? You can't have it because it's strictly for India. Why India get all the good deals? Man? Well, I mean, I know why, but it's upsetting nonetheless. It is the cheapest Netflix subscription in the world, and it's available to India's 1.3 billion residents. And the way that it works is it's a mobile-only account, which will work on a single iPhone, iPad, or other mobile device. So it will work on a dedicated mobile device, an Android phone, Android tablet, iPhone, iPad, and you can't have multiple devices connected. I think that's okay for the Indian market because according to what I've read, the vast majority of content consumption in India happens on the mobile display. I think there's a percentage listed in this particular article how much content is consumed on mobile data. 70% of people's mobile data is used watching video. Is that correct? Yeah, Netflix believes India is a natural fit. Indians spend 30% of their phone time and over 70% of their mobile data on entertainment. So that's the first screen in India is the mobile phone, not the TV. And so a lot of customers are going to be okay with this, that, hey, $3, I'll take it. And of course, as we all know, YouTube is heavy competitive in India. Biggest channel in the world, T-Series. People have tremendous free access to entertainment and content. So can Netflix really compete with a $14 a month thing when I could just head to T-Series? I mean, I don't even know anything about T-Series because I can't understand what, I don't watch it. Obviously, I don't know what's going on, but it looks like a lot of content and people seem to like it because you don't have to scroll too far to see millions of views and 106 million subscribers. So look, there's a trailer, it looks like, with 7.4 million a day ago. And he also uploaded 17 videos in that amount of time. So Netflix going to have to bring the A game to compete with the likes of this, which is free. Netflix got to bring the A game to India. And that's what they're doing with the $3 thing. And this is what I've been saying with other companies in the case of Apple and so forth. You want to go there, you got to play there. Rules different. Mm-hmm. Rules are different there because it all comes down to one particular thing, Will, which is what's the income? How much money can people spend? We got to start there because then everything's going to be coordinated with what's available. An average software developer in India makes $14,000 in US dollars. You're not going to, you can't hit him with 14 a month. You can't hit him with 16 a month or whatever we're paying now. He ain't going to be a customer for very long. So the Netflix solution with the mobile plan actually comes out to $2.88. The video will be standard definition on that particular plan. They have other plans. The standard basic plan is $7, and then you get onto the TV and laptop. And Amazon themselves, they have crazy cheap Prime Video, $1.87 in India. It's not rocket science. It's pretty simple. You want to play the game, you play by the local rules. You want to go to that team's stadium, they set the rules. You want to play in the hockey in the Olympics, you play on the Olympic rules, Olympic ice surface. Mm-hmm. You want to sell phones in India, you play by the Indian rules. You want to sell Netflix in India, you play by the Indian rules. This makes a lot of sense right here, even if it makes you jealous, Will, because I know you want $3 Netflix.
I do, yeah.
Now, let me ask you something. $3 Netflix, only on one device, does that bother you? Like, do you need a multi-device setup?
Can I change it up?
Yeah, but it's just one at a time.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's okay.
Totally fine.
It's fine. So Will says it's a deal. If you're in India, check it out. But maybe you guys can let me know, because you're local, let me know in the comments, like, do you even feel a need for it, even at $3? Or do you feel like through the likes of T-Series and whatever else is available, you're satisfied? You got content for days. Why do you need Netflix? Does Netflix bring you international content that you feel you need to get? Like, I'm actually curious in this department. So if you're an Indian viewer, let me know in the comments. I'll pin a comment or something if there's something insightful there. But like the T-Series stuff to me seems to indicate, based on the view counts and subscriber counts and so forth, that like you're able to get a lot of the content you're looking for without paying for it, which obviously is very cool if it's possible.
And they have the whole library on Netflix, right?
No, Netflix is different regionally. So the Netflix you see here won't be the one necessarily that they see in India or the US for that matter.
Right.
Yeah. It's tailored for that particular region.
Well, I'm curious about their lineup then.
Yeah,
If
I'm
they-
super
if they
curious
have
about their. I'm super
content.
curious. I'm super curious about the lineup.
Yeah.
So they're gonna tell us. Well, we're about to find out. We go to the source.